Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi to my ugly ass feet. So guys, today I just wanted to show you guys my at-home pedicure routine, how I do my pedicure to get my toes from this to this. So just gonna follow me while I show you guys. So if you're interested in watching this, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are the things you would be requiring for this at home pedicure. So basically your essentials, from your nail files to your buffer, cotton wool, nail polish cleaner, your pedicure set, your cuticle oil and cuticle softener, then shea butter, to apply on the legs for moisture. Then I just got this mask. It's actually a foot mask. I got it recently when I went to one of my nearest supermarket. So I want to see how that works, so I'm just going to be trying out today for the first time. So anyways, nail polish, foot scraper and foot buff, then some essential oils just to like make your feet smell really nice. Then you also have to have your disinfectant. Today I'm going to be using Savlon. You can use Dettol or any of the disinfectants, and then foot scrub and your foot soap. So anyways, let's just jump right in. So in the big bowl there I have my hot water and my soap. So in that I'm going to be adding a capful of my disinfectant. You have to kill all the germs and bacteria and whatnot on your feet. So yeah, you need a disinfectant. So once I've applied the disinfectant, I'm just going to go into my essential oils. This essential oils is from a natural Nigerian. It's a Nigerian brand. So you can basically use any essential oils you have. Anything you have in your house, you can use it. So this was what I had, is lemongrass. So I'm just going to apply some drops of it into the water, and I'm just going to use my hand to just mix everything around so everything is nice and mixed together evenly. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to be adding this salt. Now I got this salt from I think I won it from in a giveaway or so, but it is from Blushed by Coco, I think, if I am not wrong. Yes, I was right, Blushed by Coco. So yeah, the salt is from, it comes in a small set like that. So but if you don't have that salt, you can use either sea salt or Epsom salt. Both of them are actually good. So now I'm just going to put my feet and dip them inside this water for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is enough time, to just soften your feet out. So yeah. Yes, so I was really enjoying myself and playing. While I was doing this, I was actually catching up and watching up some YouTube videos. Hi OJ. So yeah, basically that is that, just while away time. So now once my 30 minutes is up, I'm just going to go into my foot scraper. So basically I'm just going to use this to scrape the bottom of my feet or the soles of my feet, scrape up all those hard skin, scrape them away, and remove all those hard dead skin. So I haven't done a pedicure in a long time, so my feet really needed some scraping. So yeah, I'm just going to do that on both feet, then yeah, we'll be back to continue. So make sure you scrape every part of the soles of your feet. Make sure there are no bumps or whatnot. So yeah, once I'm done with scraping, I'm just going to go into, this is kind of like dirt remover. I don't know the name of this stuff, but it's inside the manicure set. So I'm basically going to use that to just clean the corners of my toes, all those dirt that hide in the corners of your toes. So I'm going to use this because the good thing, the water softens all those dirt, so it's quite easy to remove. So I'm just going to use that to like clean all the corners of my nails or my toenails. So yeah, once I am done with that, I'm just going to go into this. It's kind of like a buffer. You know how you have the buffer for nails, but this is like the buffer for feet. So basically, it's just meant to like smoothen your feet. So after you're done with the foot scraper, you just go in with this one just to like smoothen your feet. So it doesn't feel rough to the touch, and it's just makes your feet smooth. So I'm just going to do that to like buff the soles of both my feet, and yeah. So now once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go into this foot scrub. This is from Sunflower. So just taking a dime size or a pea size, I'm just going to use that to scrub my feet. So basically I'm scrubbing the skin of my feet basically, so trying to get off all those dead skin cells on the top of my feet. So make sure the same way you scrub your face to get all those impurities and dry skin off is the same thing I'm doing for my feet. So yeah. Sure you go in between those toes when you're scrubbing. So a lot of fungi and some bacteria always like to hide in between the feet, especially if you wear covered shoes a lot. So make sure when you're scrubbing you go in between your toes just to get out or scrub out any germs and whatnot. So once I'm done with that scrubbing, I'm just going to go into this wash. So it's basically like soap. So you can, if you don't have this, you can always use soap. It doesn't matter. This is just like finally wash and scrub the feet. So I'm just going to use this brush right now, and I'm just going to just basically scrub the feet. So we're getting all the we're going to take off all the foot scrub and wash away any remaining dirt on my feet. So yeah, once I am done with that, I am just going to rinse my feet with some clean water. So you can use cold water, you can use warm water, any water. So I'm just going to rinse my feet with some water. So now my feet are dried off, and it's time to do the main pedicure, or to do the main. So yeah, so now I'm just going to go in with a nail cutter. I'm just going to use that to just cut out all these hideously long nails. So basically just trimming all those long nails. Then once I am done trimming off all those excessively long nails, I'm just going to go into my nail file to just smoothen out my nails. So yeah, basically it's kind of, I think from here onwards it's actually quite easy. I didn't really do anything out of the ordinary, but if I need to say anything else, I will still come back and yeah. After I finished filing my nails, I just went into my cuticle trimmer, and trimmed off all the excess dried cuticle. Then now I'm going into my cuticle softener. I just apply this mainly on the cuticle, just soften it so it's not as hard or as strong. And yeah, I'm just going to go into my nail buffer and just buff out my nails so they are like smooth and they take the nail polish better. So now once that is done, I'm just going to go into my cuticle oil. So basically I'm just concentrating this oil on my cuticles and my nails and my cuticles. Basically it helps to soften the nails and the cuticles, and also to moisturize them. So yeah, this is an essential. So now this is the star of the show. This is the feet mask. So I've never tried a foot mask before, and I saw it in my local beauty store or my local supermarket, and I was like, oh, it looked interesting. So yeah, this is going to be my first time trying out a foot mask. So yeah, and it was quite cheap, 1,200 naira. So yeah, so anyways, it says to just wear it like a socks, and yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys. I have to wait for like 30 minutes, so yeah, I'm just going to put it on and wait for 30 minutes. So guys, it is 30 minutes after. Guys, the adhesive that they gave with this foot mask did not work. Like, it kept on coming off. So luckily for me, I had like these little small rubber bands, so that's what I actually used to like hold the foot mask. But yeah, anyways, my 30 minutes is up. I am just going to take these off. It says to rinse your feet after you're done with the 30 minutes. So yeah, one good thing I noticed about the foot mask was like my feet really felt very, very soft. Like my feet felt very moisturized and soft. So that's actually quite nice. I actually think it's, even if I don't want to do a pedicure, I think it's something that can be done maybe twice or thrice a month, just getting a foot mask, and just wearing it to just help to soften the feet. So yeah, I'm definitely going to purchase that foot mask again, because I really, really enjoyed or liked how soft my feet felt. So after rinsing off the foot mask, I'm just going to dry my feet off, and time to paint my nails. Like, guys, can you see how soft looking my feet are? Like, compare it from like before and now, like, see how soft and nice my feet look. Like, I'm just so happy. guys, so now once that is done, I'm just going to apply my shea butter, just to moisturize my feet. So whatever kind of moisturizer you have or you use, you can use your body lotion, but I feel shea butter is like heavy enough to like really moisturize the feet, so especially the soles of the feet. So yeah, using my shea butter to moisturize my feet. So anyways, now it's time to paint these nails to make them look nice. You can opt to leave your nails like bare and all that, but I like my nails looking cute, so I'm just going to paint my nails with this color here. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Every other thing that you're going to see is just me painting my nails or doing the final step of this pedicure. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you got to learn one or two things. You don't always have to run to the salon to get your pedicure done. You can always do it in the comfort of your home. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my typical pedicure routine, how I do my pedicure. So if you actually enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Tell anybody else. Who knows, there might be someone that actually needs help with what to do when they want to do a pedicure. So share this video and yeah, let me know what you think. Is this a routine that you would adopt? Would you try this my pedicure routine? And if you do, or if you've tried it before, let me know some of the steps that you incorporate in your own pedicure routine. Comment down below, tell me what you add to your own pedicure routine. So yeah guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.